were in the middle of trial. We were almost finished. The defendant, Mr. Torres-Gonzalez, indicated to us that he would like to accept responsibility for what he had done to Daryl Ritz on May 16, 2016. We're obviously very pleased that some justice was achieved in this case and that he did take responsibility for that. It was his choice to do so.
Did he or his attorneys give you any indication why?
No, I think it's a choice that's personal to him. That was his choice. Obviously, we were very pleased with that result, and I think the family is pleased to finally get that closure and get that acceptance of what had happened with them.
Can you provide any insight into this alleged assault in January 2016 and why it was so important to him that it be investigated?
We just kind of got preliminary information on that today, so I don't know a lot of details about it. It's as in any crime. Anytime someone alleges that there was a crime has been committed, we're under a duty to investigate and see where it takes us. There's no guarantees of anything at this point. Of course, if probable cause is established, we will look at filing criminal charges, but we've just received that preliminary information today, so it's really hard to say where it's going to go from here.
Is there any apparent tie between that assault and this case?
That's hard to say. I don't have enough details to be able to make that conclusion.
What kind of toll did this have on your family sitting through this trial, listening to this evidence, seeing the crime scene photos?
It took a natural toll on everybody. Even the ones who weren't here, we all heard the evidence afterwards. So it was very hard to go through that and have to relive this thing time and time again through the preliminary hearing, through this trial, through the multiple times of seeing the video of Darryl being killed. It takes a natural toll on all of us, and it'll be a while before we ever really get over it. And I don't think we'll ever get over it, but we'll come to at least terms with it to be able to fully function in our lives again.
Thank you for representing us and putting this man where he belongs so that nobody else in this community has to worry about him anymore. So I'm very grateful for that, and I really wanted to say thank you to all those folks who were involved.
What did you make of Mr. Torres-Gonzalez's comments at sentencing?
It was hard to hear his voice. We haven't heard his voice a whole lot. That was hard. And I'll compartmentalize everything he said, I'm sure, in time. I'm sure we'll all deal with it in our own way.